razed shops, vehicles, and the Kenya Railways house. According to residents, the blaze started from a hotel and quickly spread to nearby stalls that supply gas cylinders. Business owners and occupants of the affected house are counting losses, having lost all their belongings, and are now asking for well-wishers to come to their aid. Videos shared online showed the fire billowing meters high amid explosions.
It was a very super rude awakening to the residents of Nairobi, especially those who are in the Ngara regions of the Nairobi city. So basically today, there was a very big fire explosion which has trended online, and we are here to inform you what happened. So this fire, according to the reports, it could have started from maybe the gas or somewhere in the restaurant which are around these areas which deal with gas supplies. From the videos trending online, here is some of the things we can see. So the residents of this area have called the government and well-wishers to come to their aid because their livelihood has been taken away. Indeed, the fire is one of the worst tragedies to ever experience. As of now, several reports indicate that majority of the people are safe and few were injured in this occasion. This fire consumed a lot of cars in the area, a lot of houses, and a lot of property has been destroyed, although people were able to scamper for safety. In this incident, which appeared mid-morning, it's really worrying for many Kenyans as how safe are we from these fires. This is the second fire, or the third fire rather, which has really shocked Kenyans after the Muradi incident, where gases exploded affecting people. So indeed there should be regulation in terms of this business.
Na mimi huwa ni mama, ni single mother, na najaribu kila nipate ndo watu wangu wasome. Sasa kila kitu imeenda. Sina pa kulala, sina hata sijui nitaenda wapi saizi. Majirani wote hata sioni nani nitaenda kwake. Hata zote zimechomeka, hakuna hata ya kuvaa. Hata sasa nashindwa niende kwa nani, usaidizi utatoka wapi? Lakini naamini Mungu atanisaidia. Kwa yule ambaye ana roho ya utu, na kama uko na single mother na unashughulikia watoto wako ndo upate chakula na urudi kwa nyumba hakuna anything. Yoyote ambaye ako pale na roho ya utu, hata kama ni mattress, tungua angalau nipate maisha yangu niendelee. Sina chochote saizi.